Hello from Sierra Vista, Arizona, home of the new Be Secure security camera company. Introducing our new pan tilt zoom camera. It is our newest, latest, and greatest. Wherever you step on my property, I'm going to see you. This thing's going to follow you. It even has a speaker inside to where you can yell at whoever's in your yard to get out without ever coming close to the person. It doesn't matter if I'm talking way over here, away from the camera, it can hear you, and it's going to follow you. Once you step foot on this property, we got you. And it doesn't detect the dogs, big dogs, it's going to follow me. It's not going to follow the dogs. So wherever you go, we see it. We see everything. Be secure. Sierra Vista, Arizona. Securing one house at a time. Have a good evening.